Hey there, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. We're gonna head in and check out all the deals that are running this week in Walgreens. There are some fun ones, really great deals on Charmin and Bounty and Tide. That's definitely my favorite, and possibly free shave cream. So let's head in and let's check them all out. It's another great week for deals on Revlon and Almay. So grab your 10-6 inserts if you haven't already. I can't imagine that you haven't already. Used your $5, your buy one get one Revlon coupons, or your Almay $3 and $4 off coupons, because this week they're all 40% off, guys. So take advantage of the sale with your high value coupons and double dip here. Please double dip and get your $5 register reward when you buy $15 worth of Color Stay. Now Color Stay here includes foundations, lipsticks, eyes. There's a lot in the Color Stay line. There's also one of these running for Almay. So grab $15 before the sale. After the sale. Woo. $15 after the sale before the coupons for that to trigger. So with the 40% off, you're gonna have to think about that. Sometimes shopping in a drugstore involves a calculator, but grab $15 worth after the sale before the coupons. You're gonna get a $5 register reward back and some pretty sweet deals with your buy one get one and your $5 off Revlons or your $3 or $4 off Almays. All of those coupons are in that 10-6 set of inserts. We just got coupons in Sunday's paper and printables that make for shaving cream to be possibly free if your store still has them, or 99 cents if they don't. So my store, completely out of what would be free. It is the Chic Extreme. That's what you want to look for. They're $1.99 and they are free with this promotion. If your store doesn't have them, they've been on sale all month. So the odds are pretty strong that they're going to be out. So you can grab Edge or Skintimate. They're on sale this week. This is a month-long deal, but they're on sale this week for $2.99. They're normally $3.49. So you're saving 50 cents. But buy two of them. Use two $1 off coupons. We have them from the Sunday paper from 1013 or as printables. So again, they're $2.99 a piece. Grab two of them. Use two $1 coupons. You're basically going to pay $1.99 a piece after the coupon, but you're going to get back $2 in rewards. So in the end, you're going to pay 99 cents for each one of them, which isn't a bad price. I like the free one. I don't know that you're going to be able to find it in your store, but just a heads up that it would be free if you could find it. There's a great deal on body wash this week thanks to new digital coupons. So this one didn't look super sweet until the coupons came out. We've got new digital Walgreens coupons for Irish Spring and for soft soap. And this week, when you buy two of them, you're gonna get back $5 in rewards. So 5,000 balance rewards when you buy two. They're on sale for $3.99. What I would recommend, buy one soft soap, one Irish Spring. Use your $1 off Irish Spring digital coupon, your 75-cent soft soap coupon. After the two digital coupons and rewards, 61 cents a piece for each one of them. It's a pretty sweet price. So one of each, and then clip both of those coupons. And guys, don't forget my favorite tip, just use the barcodes. Scan the barcode with the Walgreens app and it will automatically load that digital coupon. So cannot get any easier for you. You walk straight to the register and use those coupons. If you wear contacts, really great deal on contact solution this week. So Renew Advanced Formula. This is the 20% more box, but all of them in this size, like the 10 to 12 ounce, on sale for $7.79. And we've got a $2 store coupon in the month-long coupon booklet and a $5 printable. Yeah, $7.79 in my store. So that makes this 79 cents for one box of contact solution. And this isn't the tiny box, guys. So grab it, grab your store coupon and your printable. That printable is when you share it with a friend. And again, the store coupon is in this. So you're looking right as you walk in the door for the month-long booklet, or you can load it as a digital coupon straight to your Walgreens card. So grab a box, 79 cents. If you don't need it, donate it. That's a great price for something that a lot of folks can't get that cheap. This deal is running all month long, so you could print the coupon and grab it on another trip if you're not going to head in this week, but there are enough deals to definitely make the trip worthwhile. Okay guys, our really great kind of double dipping deal is back on household items. So we saw this back in September, and really the very beginning, so it's been almost a month and a half. This week, when you head in, you're gonna find Tide, you're gonna find Bounty, Charmin, a number of products that are all on sale for $4.99. And when you buy 4 of them, you're gonna get back a $6 register reward at checkout. Now, you buy 4 of them, use coupons on them. We've got digitals, we've got insert coupons, we have some printables as well. Grab 4, get back your $6 reward. But if you grab 2 sets of 4, can't grab 8, you'll only get 1 reward. So you need to break it into 2 transactions. Grab 2 sets of 4. So a couple Tides and a Bounty and a Charmin, and then another set of 4, however you want to mix and match this. There is a $10 mail-in rebate for the Walgreens fall rebate. When you buy 6 P&G products that are $4.99 or more, you're gonna get a $10 Walgreens gift card back. Yeah, so grab 8 to be part of this deal, again, in 2 transactions, or you won't get the second register reward, so you don't wanna miss out on that. So you're basically gonna do this twice. Use coupons on both of those transactions, earn those 2 $6 register rewards, and then submit for a $10 Walgreens gift card. In the end, mixing and matching around, this is gonna make products $1.99 or less. For Bounty and Charmin and Tide and Downy, there's a number of items that are part of the sale. So it's running all week long, and we've seen it, one other time back in September. We'll probably see it again before the rebate ends in November. But this is the week to grab it. If you haven't already done it or you want to do that rebate again, make sure you read the fine print, because I need to go back and check. There is probably a limit per household, so if you do want to do it again, submit it under your mom's address. But it's definitely a deal to grab and to stock up on. Definitely for paper goods, $1.99 for Bounty and Charmin. So head in and grab them this week while you can, and double dip on the $6 register reward and that mail-in rebate. One other detergent deal to not miss is Persil. Persil is on sale this week for $4.99, and we have a new Walgreens digital coupon. Check your Walgreens app or head to walgreens.com and load a $2 off digital coupon. In the end, you're gonna get a box of Persil or a container of Persil for $2.99. No rewards needed. That is just using the brand new $2 digital coupon. And a heads up, that digital coupon only good this week. So you do want to head in and grab the Persil while you can. You cannot put this one off. It is only a 1-week offer. Okay guys, this is the week to stock up on Mitchum deodorant. If that's your favorite brand, we have not seen it this cheap in ages, but all week long it's on sale for $2.99. And you're gonna get back 1,000 reward points when you buy 2 of them. Plus we've got printable coupons. So after the sale, after the coupons, you are gonna get Mitchum deodorant for 49 cents. It's not bad. So grab 2 of them, pay 49 cents a piece. It's also on sale at CVS this week. So if you're not a Walgreens person or you're already headed to CVS, you can get it there too, but 49 cents in the end. Pretty sweet price. So grab your coupons and head in. Okay guys, so I kind of feel like we're closing down the Walgreens. It's a little late tonight, but we got it all in and we just checked out all the deals. There's a lot to grab. My favorite is definitely the Mitchum. That's one of my favorite brands on deodorant. And it's a good sale to use those $2 off coupons that we just got in Sunday's paper. But definitely don't miss the Revlon. It's a great way to use your coupons if you haven't already. The deodorant deal, and stock up on paper goods and Tide. Make sure you take advantage of that. I think we'll probably see that sale overlap one more time, but it's here, so you might as well grab the deal this week. So hopefully this helps. Remember all the deals that I mentioned, all the coupons that I mentioned. If you head to southernsavers.com/Walgreens, you can grab the coupons that you need, print out your shopping list, and head straight to the store. I cannot even attempt to make it any easier for y'all. So hopefully this makes it all kind of a little bit more clear, a little less scary, and you can head in and grab them. If you're brand new, I would just grab 1 or 2. I would not go overboard. Maybe get your rewards and then grab some other deals, but make this as simple as you can for yourself. Don't get yourself too overwhelmed if you're just getting started. If you've always got questions too, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I try to keep tabs on them, try to make sure that I can help you out that way as well. And make sure to subscribe so you can catch all of our weekly deal videos as they come out.